Hey everyone, it's Heidi with the Usborne Experience with our special guest star, Madden, who just woke up from a nap. So he's going to be showing us some of, oh, you look kind of rough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean that nut is my, what we have no.
It's Otter. That's not my otter. All right. So we're going to be showing you 2 new releases in one of his favorite series, the Usborne sound books. Those are kind of bright lights, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the Usborne sound books are awesome as they have on and off buttons in the back. And these aren't your ordinary sound books. These books make you feel like you're right there in the middle of whatever's creating the sound. And there aren't the normal buttons that you're used to with noisy books. These have finger pad sensors. Go ahead. There you go. So you can see that the books, just like all of our Usborne books, are bright and beautifully illustrated, and there's cutouts on each page too. What's that sound make? Who makes that sound?
A cow.
A cow. Pretty cool. And there's a cute and there's a cute little story that goes along with the book as well. Look at how cute this page is with the muddy pigs. Want to press this one for the pig? Press again. And then for the tractor. And you'll see that there's also finger trails, peek through cutouts, so fun. We've got chickens. And we've got cheeping birds. So sweet. And it even says, little chicks cheep with excitement as they play in the afternoon sun. Look at the little ladybug peeking through. So cute. We've got a sheepdog herding the sheep. Go ahead, press the button. And then we've got our little sheep. Cute. Like you.
Yeah.
And then we've got duckies splashing. And then press this guy up here. What's that?
A horsey.
A horsey. So that is our Usborne Soundbook Farm Sounds, which is a brand new release.
This one.
You like that one?
Yeah.
For $19.99.
I like that, not my fox.
You also like That's Not My Fox. I know, that's a favorite.
Yeah.
We also have night sounds, and I'll go through this one quickly, or not. We have night sounds such as church bells. You can press it again and it shuts it off. We have the owl. Look at how pretty, and it's hard to see here, but the little raindrops are little cutouts. Again, there's a story that goes along with the book, talking about how peaceful it is inside the houses with the rain. And there are kitty cats sleeping. How pretty is that? And then outside the town, there's a night train that rumbles past. Go ahead. Hold on. And then we have, oh, right here. Right here. Oh. You like that one. Yeah. We don't hear many trains in these parts of Connecticut. Ooh. Little fox. And then we've got some bats. Go ahead. So cool. And then we've got the wind howling. It blows the leaves around while mice are snuggled in their nests. And then, ever so slowly, the sun rises again. An early morning bus trundles, that's a good word, down the road. And the birds wake up and sing to welcome the start of a brand new day. Oh, I love it so much. Now, these aren't new releases, but we also have in the series Jungle Sounds.
I want to read a tiger one.
We'll read the tiger one. And we have Garden
I
Sounds,
wanna read
so
tiger.
pretty for an Easter basket.
I want
And not-
tiger one.
Okay, hold on. And not
And this one.
talks all day long. And not quite in the same series, but it has the same type of finger pads. You love this one. Our orchestra book that walks you through each class of instruments in the orchestra and plays each of them so you can hear the different types. Whoops. And then at the end of this,
Stop it.
Stop. And at the end of this book, it puts them all together to play a symphony. You want that book, huh? You can even scan the QR code to hear the piece of music all the way through. So, if you're looking to place an order with Usborne Books and More, one of these Usborne sound books should definitely be in your cart.
I want to read books.
We're gonna go listen to all of the sound books right now. You can get these books and more at www.theusborneexperience.com. Thank you. And you can find me hanging around Facebook at The Usborne Experience with Heidi. Can you say bye? Bye. We'll see you next time.
I want to do it again.
We want to do it again.